Rolling, but on.
Hello!
Sorry, we're being really finicky about a camera. Anyway, thank you, dear.
Thank you, sir.
So, that's good.
So we've had a lot of troubles over the last couple of days, and I think it completely topped it off last night when the worst possible thing happened.
My laptop's buggered. It's kaput. It's gone. It's
a good colour?
So I think so.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Edwards is serving us some Earl Grey.
For Miss Earl.
Oh.
So anyway, last night we had a lot of rain, and the leak formed in Papageno, and it went on all of my electrics, my bag where all my electrics are held, including my laptop. So my laptop is absolutely, completely gone. It's currently in a bag of rice. So
The rescue mission will work.
I appreciate her positivity. So what we're trying to do is we're in Guadeloupe at the moment. We're trying to head to the capital tomorrow, and
by the river.
By the river.
Sail.
We're going
through the Salt River.
Edward, why didn't you tell them?
Yes, come and tell them,
Come
dear.
and tell them.
You can come. A rose between two thorns.
We will go to Rivière Salée. It's a river. We cross the Guadeloupe, and there is 2 bridges, very low. So only the motorboat can go there, and as we don't have mast, we can do it.
So that's where we have a really good opportunity to see something that boats with masts can't. So Guadeloupe is kind of like this butterfly shape, and we're going down in the centre. And
the mangroves.
Yeah, and the mangroves is going to be beautiful. We're going to do that tomorrow. We're going to get to the city and stay there until my laptop's fixed, so I can share with you this episode that I've been working really bloody hard on. So, hard on.
What do it mean?
Hard on. You bloody
Not appropriate, Frenchie.
The reason why we've been a bit stressed is because we went from St Kitts to Monserrat.
Bag?
Yeah,
Yes.
the tea is lovely.
The tea is delicious.
Thank you.
See?
So we stopped in Monserrat for 5 minutes, but it was our fault. But we used this chart from 1989 to get there, and we arrive at this place called Plymouth, the city, and it's completely barren. There's nothing around, and it just feels a bit eerie. There's no one, there's no sound. And we step on land for 5 minutes. The map said it's got a yacht club, marina, docks, everything. This one wanted a packet of biscuits. So
we'd run out. Sacrilege.
you can buy 3 packets of biscuits and they'll be gone in a day. And we step on land, and after 5 minutes, bloody police came.
Yeah, we were just about to take a lovely photo with the wildflowers. I love wildflowers. And just about to have a photograph, and then suddenly, "Can the 3 persons over there come over here right now?" And it was pretty scary.
It was really scary. We had to sit in the sand for like an hour and a half, and then Coast Guard came. And
What were they wearing?
they were all wearing like balaclavas, gun vests, and like big, massive guns. And they're like, "Who's the captain?" "Hello, men with guns. How are you?" And yeah, so the guys with guns, they escorted us onto the boat. They searched the entire boat. They escorted us back to the other side of the island where the other city is. It took us 2 hours to get there, and then they said that we had to pay a fine of 1,100 EC, which is around about $400. Else they were going to keep us on the island and be detained, arrested, and taken to court. So we paid because I've never been in trouble. I've never done anything bad and been caught for. But yeah, so we were really stressed and we were really tired. We stayed an extra day in Monserrat to rest, and then we arrived in Guadeloupe, and it was beautiful, wonderful. We were so exhausted, we finally thought things might be looking our way. And of course the laptop goes kaput. It's our way of being able to make videos and to earn the repair. Update you guys and help with our fund for Papageno. So we're trying really hard to stay calm.
But we've met lovely people here, haven't we?
Yeah, we've met really, really nice people here.
Yeah.
And our treat last night, we got invited to someone's boat and had some mahi
and the nicest rice ever.
Yeah. And that was a huge treat because we don't have a fridge on Papageno, so we don't really eat much meat because it will go rancid. So I don't know. But now we've lost our movies. We were going to watch The
Godfather. She hasn't seen The Godfather.
Yeah.
Can you believe this?
She haven't seen the Blues Brothers.
I haven't seen the Blue Brothers. So we're going to have an education movie night, but
it's not going to happen.
Yeah.
But what we're going to do, we're going to go to the capital, get the laptop fixed, and episodes will resume. So what we're going to do until that happens, we're going to be sending you guys these short little videos for you to watch before anyone else, so you know where we are, what we're doing, because our videos, they're only 2 weeks behind. We're pretty up to date, and you'll only ever pay once a week for one paid post, but you'll be getting loads of freebies. We're going to be trying to do another watercolour time lapse. I'm going to be sending an extract of my book, and we're going to be putting blogs and everything out there for
Edward's
you.
going to do some dance classes, so be prepared.
Yeah.
It's from his
Classic
village in
dance.
France. They have special dances.
Naked dance. So if you have any requests, please just let us know. And I really appreciate you guys being understanding. We've had a lot of support from you guys already, and thank you so much for being understanding while we just try to get over this crappy week. Just let us just get over this crappy week, and systems will be as normal. But I find it really difficult to not be stressed right now. I mean, we're in a beautiful place, and I need to chill out and have a nice cup of tea. But we send you our love. Thank you for everything. And if you have a question, just let us know. Pop it in the comments, and behave, and we'll answer the questions and report back. And I don't know, let's just make this fun. Let's try and make lemonade out of lemons. Yeah?
Yes.
I was trying to think of a funny joke. Anyone got any good jokes to finish it off with?
Yes. You ready, everybody? It's my favourite joke.
What's your favourite joke?
Well, first of all, it's how did the boy drown in the bowl of muesli?
You did already.
He got dragged in. Sorry, I always laugh. He got dragged in by the strong currents. Do-do-do. Bing!
I still don't understand.
And with that, have a very lovely day. Say bye, everyone.
Bye
Goodbye.
everyone.